human being. No, I'm doing a video. It was very cold. No, Remo, I don't know. Like, we have to really look for it. 4 person will just die of cold.
Mommy.
You're still sleeping.
How did they die of cold?
I'm going to make my hair today.
Where?
The girl's shop.
She will go.
Wash it. Yeah?
You go there. Which shop?
That place now.
Which place?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
I have to wash it seriously. My hair is so dirty. I really want that to wash it well. How far?
I don't know.
Because that's not in here.
In here, where? In the video.
What? I'm just kidding.
You know, my mommy's face is all swollen.
My face is so happy because my eye is working right.
Yeah. So Gina's eyes got bad yesterday. Ife actually explained to her. She said, no, it's Ife.
Yep.
According to her, she said, Ife mistakenly put his finger in her eye. So throughout yesterday, it was Gina's eyes that was
Premier for really
the
bad.
issue. Yeah. Well, she woke up this morning happy that everything. Let's see, woke up. Jesus. So she woke up this morning
And
telling
now
everybody
my eye is
that
better. I can see.
if he's sleeping, though, Sabu.
Let's get excited. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I sing.
I know, but you shouldn't be screaming.
What is their friend? Well, when I was turning 5, somebody gave me a present. And it was puzzles. Puzzles? But then no one gave me a present. When it was my 4 years old birthday. Well, just my cake and my pizza for the present. Okay, no, everyone could. There's music and dancing. Mommy, like, I'm not control the controls a pedal and a remote control, a race car, another race car. So it can go, and I want it to go blazing speed, and it have all the buttons in it.
And we have parachutes.
So it can land safely.
Ito, Ife.
Okay.
I stopped talking.
Who wants to talk about his birthday presents when he's turning 5?
Do you need me to turn it? See what you do.
And I get Tony like this. I hope I didn't make you sleeping.
Guys, I just finished making breakfast, and the next thing I want to do is just to make my bed and then pack the things I want to use for my hair, because I think I've already told you guys I'm going to make my hair today, and I really need to wash my hair. My hair is like in a very bad state. That's why I'm even tying it. It's not looking nice at all, so I want to wash it and make it. So I'm going to just pack everything, and then I want to make some dresses, because almost all my clothes are not on my size. Guys, I'm getting so bigger than like normal the month I'm in, and then that's what I'm going to be doing now, because it's almost 10 o'clock, so I have to be really fast. The kids have had their baths. They are eating right now. My cousin actually, yeah. Babe. So my cousin actually bathed them. So my own is just to, you know, arrange one or two things. Then I'll just arrange Ina's hair. So there's this product I'm supposed to spray on her hair from Kudos Healthy Living. This is not an ad, but people have very good reviews about her product. What I don't like about the product is that the smell is funny. I don't like the smell. Hobby said he likes it, but me, I don't like it. So I'm going to spray that on her hair. I'm going to take the remaining other product, and I'll show you guys everything I'm going to be taking out today. So since I started getting myself a bit, I'm trying to like put in more effort in doing things like helping out, because like guys, when you're just sitting down at home not helping, you're just sitting down, they'll bring food for you. But I'm not saying it's bad though, but for me it becomes like tiring. I want to be the one that will make the food myself. I want to be the one that would bring the water, you know, that kind of thing. I want to be the one that will bath the kids by myself. So I like that today I could do it, and then lately I've been, you know, pushing myself to do more things in the house. So let me go and, you know, arrange guys. Let me even gist you guys. I don't know this gist I saw on, I don't know if it's Insta blog, about a woman that was calling her daughter a shawo, that her daughter was actually with a man, sleeping with a man. I don't hear Yoruba. I'm just saying from what they wrote, like the caption of the story. And guys, like, thing just blew my mind. Like, how can a 2-year-old girl be the one that is holding, like, drawing a man, going to chase a man? Like, when I looked at the woman, I just saw that that woman is not mentally okay. That's the only explanation I can give. So I think they should take her to a psychiatric hospital, because she's not okay. Like, she's not. She didn't even blame the man for what happened. It was that little tiny girl, 2-year-old girl that I will be saying baby. Someone will call baby a child. That's what somebody is saying. She's a shawo, that, like, as if she's okay. Like, Thunder is going to fire her. I'm not lying. She should go. I don't care at this point. Yes, she should go to a psychiatric hospital, but let Thunder be firing her in that psychiatric hospital. How can you ever say that to a girl? Talk more of your daughter. Like, okay, see me we carry belly. Person can't touch my big. Man, no talk, sha. Okay, let me take care of things. Okay. Oh, my skin, I'm begging you. Okay guys, let me go and arrange one or two things. Time don't they go. If I could just stay here, they waste time. So guys, my camera, the battery died. I've been using it all morning. It's already to 11, so I'm really late. I'm 30 minutes late. It's going to be 1 because I'm still talking. So I wanted to say you guys should don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to show me love, don't forget to let me know what you think about my video. And if you like to see content like this, maybe a day in my life or what I eat in the day, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do that video. And just bye. Let me go and tell the kids bye and I'll be off. Thank you guys. Bye.
Okay, we just need to finish it, then we'll be done. Where did he go? I don't see he's
I'm going.
you can go if you want. Oh,
Jesus.
Mom, don't go. Okay,
Alina, that was so rude. You're not going to even miss me.
I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you. Go. Now, Zeke wants to eat Maria. She's a mermaid. She can walk with her mermaid feet. Ziggy, Kako, touch it with Z. Ziggy, Kako, Ziggy, Shako. Yeah.
All right. Bye. Take care. Kiss, kiss.
Okay. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Ife, please come and give me a kiss.